Kindness does not pay the bills. Back to work now.
Here, take this. You need it more than me.
This is the best day ever!
Emma, table 4 is dirty. Work faster, please.
Yes, sir. I am sorry.
Mom, my bike is broken. Can we fix it soon?
Soon, my love, I promise. Why this man sitting alone looking sad? Good morning. Are you hungry?
Yes, thank you.
Take this bread. Thank you, dear. Not many people stop to help. It only takes a moment.
She helps them again every day.
She is only being kind, sir.
Wasting your break again, Emma? She made her choices.
Everyone deserves kindness, Mr. Grant.
Kindness does not pay the bills. Back to work now.
Yes, sir. Are you okay, Emma? I am fine, Sarah. Thank you.
Fewer customers this month, Mr. Grant. Fix this. Yes, sir. I will do better.
Good morning again. I brought warm coffee today.
You are very kind, Emma.
Here, take this. You need it more than me.
Why do you help me, even when others mock you?
Kindness is not about who is watching. It is about who needs it.
I will remember this, Emma.
Where is he? I can't see him. Where did he go? I hope he is okay. Maybe he found a warmer place, Emma. I keep looking for him every day. Your kindness was not wasted, Emma.
See? Even he knew better than to stay near your charity.
That is not true, sir.
One more mistake, Emma. Just one. And you are finished here.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Mom, why do you look worried today?
It is nothing, my love. Everything will be fine.
Look! A black car is stopping outside.
Who could that be?
Emma, look! Someone is getting out!
Who would come here for me? It's you. You're the man from the corner.
My real name is Nathaniel Whitmore. I own Whitmore Industries. I kept this every day since.
You remembered.
I heard every word you said to her, Mr. Grant. Mr. Whitmore, I did not know who you were. You did not need to know who I was to show respect. You are right. Emma, I have no family. My wife passed away, and I was left alone.
I am so sorry, Nathaniel.
On that corner, most people walked past. Some looked at me with disgust.
But you were never truly invisible, Nathaniel.
Money could not fill that silence, Emma.
I understand loneliness too, Nathaniel.
You gave when you believed I had nothing to give back.
I only wanted you to feel less alone.
This is a new home for you and Leo.
I do not know what to say, Nathaniel.
There is also a fund for Leo's education until university.
This is too much, truly.
And Emma, you will run your own café. The papers are signed.
My own cafe? I cannot believe it.
She will be my boss now.
Maybe now you will learn kindness, sir.
Tell Leo there is a new bike waiting for him.
He will be so happy, Nathaniel. Emma, this is wonderful news. Thank you for always being kind to me, Sarah. Of course, Emma, I'm so happy for you. Thank you. I always knew she was special.
We should have been kinder to her too.
Nathaniel, thank you for trusting me.
Thank you for seeing me, Emma. I will visit your new cafe often, Emma.
You will always be welcome, Nathaniel.
Take care, Emma. Take care, Leo.
Goodbye, Nathaniel. Thank you again.
Are you coming, Mr. Grant?
Give me a moment, please.
Everything feels different now. A good different, Emma. Mom, what happened? Something wonderful, my love.
Is that a new bike for me?
Yes, baby. It is really for you.
This is the best day ever!
Yes, my love, it really is.
Mom, are you happy now?
Yes, Leo, very happy. Emma, the new sign looks beautiful. We did this together, Sarah.
This cafe feels so warm and welcoming.
Thank you. Kindness is always free here.
Mom, look how fast I can go!
Be careful, my love. I am watching.
Take your time. Everyone deserves patience.
Thank you, Mr. Grant.
Emma, your cafe is truly wonderful.
Thank you for believing in me, Nathaniel. This is where it all began.
And now everything is good, Mom.
Always be kind, Leo, no matter what.
I will, Mom. I promise.
Another day, another line of customers. Let's do this. Remember, Ethan, no repairs on anything older than 3 years. No exceptions. And no discounts without my approval. None. Understood? Understood, sir.
Excuse me, is there someone who can help me?
Of course, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
My laptop won't turn on anymore. It's very old, I know.
This model is quite old. Let me take a closer look.
That laptop has the only photos I have left of my husband. He passed away last year.
I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am.
3 years, this laptop is way past that. But
I'm on a fixed pension now. I just hope the repair isn't too expensive.
Don't worry about that right now. Let's just see what's wrong first. Rules are rules, but she needs this. I can't just say no. Leave it with me, Mrs. Parker. I'll take care of it personally.
Thank you, Ethan.
Come on, old friend. Let's get you working again. There we go. Welcome back. It's all fixed, Mrs. Parker. Take a look.
Oh, there he is. I can see his face again.
she doesn't need to know. This is the least I can do.
Just a small discount today, ma'am. Don't worry about it.
Thank you, young man. You have no idea what this means to me.
What is this, a repair on a 5-year-old laptop? That's clearly against policy. Who approved this? And a 50% discount. Unauthorized. Ethan! Ethan, my office, now! You repaired an old laptop and gave away half the price. Both against the rules. Sir, if you let me explain. That laptop had the only photos of her late husband. She's on a fixed pension. I just wanted to help. Rules exist for a reason, Ethan. I'm sorry, but you're fired. Fired? For helping someone? I don't regret it. Not for a second. Hey, Grandma, how have you been?
Wait, is this your old laptop? I thought it was broken.
A kind young man at the store fixed it for me, and he even lowered my bill by half, without me even asking.
He did that on his own? That's incredible, Grandma.
People need to hear this story. I'm going to share it. This is the story of a man who chose kindness over rules.
Tonight, a story of kindness that cost a young man his job is capturing hearts online. Hello, this is Channel News 8. Could we speak with the employee who helped Mrs. Parker?
Actually, he doesn't work here anymore. Mr. Collins, sir, there are news reporters outside. They're asking for you. Reporters. What do they want? Reporters? For me? What is this about? It's about Ethan, sir, and Mrs. Parker. It's all over the internet. Oh no.
Mr. Collins, why was Ethan fired for helping an elderly widow in need?
I was only following company policy at the time.
Do you have anything to say to him or to the public right now?
I was wrong. Ethan showed real kindness, and I punished him for it instead of thanking him. To Ethan and to everyone watching, I am truly sorry. This will not happen again at Brightway Electronics. Brightway Electronics has faced strong criticism online for firing the employee behind this act of kindness. What have I done? Ethan, I was wrong. I'm sorry. I'd like to offer you your job back, with a promotion. And I'm changing the policy. Compassion will count from now on, not just rules. Thank you, sir. That means a lot. Guess kindness wasn't against policy after all. Sometimes doing the right thing costs you everything, until it gives you everything back.